Hey there, science stars. It's Miss Eyeliter, and today we're exploring a creamy mystery, Crème Fraîche. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually a super cool science experiment you can eat. Stick around to learn how tiny bacteria can turn cream into something delicious and safe to eat. When you add a little bit of buttermilk to fresh cream, something amazing happens. Good bacteria, our tiny helpers, wake up and start munching on the milk sugar, which is called lactose. As these bacteria eat, they create something special called lactic acid. This acid is like a magic potion that thickens the cream and gives it a wonderfully tangy taste. This whole process is called fermentation. It's the same natural science that helps make other yummy foods like yogurt, fluffy bread, and even crunchy pickles. Fermentation is a fantastic natural process where bacteria transform ingredients, making them both delicious and safe. It's truly food science in action. Now let's dive a little deeper into the science. The lactic acid produced by our friendly bacteria actually lowers the pH level of the cream. This lower pH creates an environment where bad bacteria, the ones that can make food spoil, can't grow. So our crème fraîche stays fresh and safe to eat. At the same time, the proteins in the cream start to stick together, forming a smooth, thick texture. This is why crème fraîche looks solid, but is still wonderfully creamy. It's a pretty neat trick of nature, turning simple cream into a delightful, tangy treat through the power of tiny microbes. Are you ready for our science in the kitchen recipe? Grab your imaginary lab coat and a spoon, because it's time to make our own crème fraîche. First, pour about half a cup of heavy cream or half and half into a clean jar. Make sure your jar is super clean, just like a real scientist's beaker. Next, add half a teaspoon of buttermilk. This is where our friendly bacteria come from. Stir it gently, just enough to mix them in. Now, cover the jar and let it sit in a warm place, around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 12 to 16 hours. This gives our bacteria time to work their magic. After it's thickened, you can eat it right away or pop it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. It's ready to enjoy. When you check it the next morning, boom, thick, creamy goodness. Congratulations, scientist. You just made crème fraîche. Scientists always record their results, and you should too. Write down how long it took for your crème fraîche to thicken. Describe what the texture looks like. Is it smooth, lumpy, or perfectly creamy? And how does it smell and taste? That's how real food scientists collect data and learn from their experiments. Every observation helps us understand more. Crème fraîche isn't just yummy, it's healthy too. It contains healthy fats that give you energy to play and learn. And those good bacteria we talked about? They help keep your tummy happy and healthy, which is super important. It also has calcium for strong bones and vitamin A for bright, healthy eyes. It's a powerhouse of goodness. Plus, crème fraîche is heat-friendly, meaning it won't curdle when it gets hot, unlike some other creams. It's a true kitchen hero. Crème fraîche started in France, but now it's loved all around the world. It's a global culinary star. In the US, chefs mix it into delicious sauces, adding a rich, tangy flavor. It elevates so many dishes. And in many parts of Africa, families make their own versions at home, using the same science, but with different local ingredients. It's the same amazing science, creating different flavors, all from one delicious idea, fermentation. So, what did we learn today? Fermentation is friendly bacteria at work, changing cream into crème fraîche. We use science to cook something tasty and healthy, and you can too. It's a delicious way to learn. Your challenge: make your own crème fraîche and share a photo with your teacher or family, just like a real scientist. Keep growing, learning, and living healthy with Miss Eyeliter. See you next time for more science adventures.